Ashewo. Let me get something to eat.
Okay, customer. No wahala.
His Royal Highness, Igwe Doctor, Honorable Engineer.
I'm not a man of food.
Waiting I con this life con do now to enjoy. I don't want stress me, I want to enjoy.
How much is my bill?
9,000. Thank you, ma'am.
Let's go.
But sir, you have not paid for your food.
Customer, you not pay for me?
Pay your bill. Ashewo not supposed to eat for house before you go work.
Customer.
How much in chop?
60,000.
60,000? How much we bargain?
Na 30,000 we bargain till they break.
As the yawa does not casala boss join.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I
don't dare my fans.
His Royal Highness.
Who go see them at?
Ha. Look at my face.
Customer, I beg. How long I want stay here?
No worry, you go know.
Me and you, what go there now? Ashewo, boom boom.
Customer, check her now.
Customer, you go enjoy me, oh.
Baby. No.
Who please?
Customer.
Succulent. I love your skin.
I have tough skin, Gorilla standard.
Thunder fire you.
Come right in.
But if you pay so,
I will.
I did knock with you no good.
Come make you smile.
Tomorrow shower we dey do now. You don't go out to join them.
And I get fashion, oh.
I better take out my guy well.
Wait. Wait. But I see my baby with another boy.
Out of me and you, what go dey ground? Dead body go surplus.
Mickey. Who be this boy?
Wait.
Who be this guy?
Who is this?
That's movie this
It's not what you think.
Move that boy.
Because my baby is my life.
What is this? What's going on?
Customer beg no verse.
Okay.
And my baby this. You go help me go drop her for my house before we go hotel.